Yo, what up, y'all? I'm here with my boy Cam. We're fishing. We already got some crappie. We're trying to do a catch and cook out here on the lake in Connecticut. You're the Connecticut fishing guy, so you know these lakes better than I do. So you better catch us some big fish too.
Right there.
Right there. Oh, was that a bass?
Yeah.
Shit, well, let's get some bass for the catch and cook too.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Just this pink rooster tail. It always, well, not always, but generally works pretty good here. Now the aim today is either bass or more crappie. The crappie seem to like living over here though. Both crappie that I've ever caught in Connecticut have always been on that little area, so. All right, let's see it. Okay, and now it's shiny. Fish. Another crappie. Yeah, he's too small to keep, but he is a crappie. Another black one. Yeah, in Connecticut, you actually got to measure them. Pennsylvania, you could keep as many, well, not as many, you can keep 50, but they don't care about the size in the Keystone State. Here you got to measure them. But I guess this is just like matching the hatch, because I've got a lot on this one, and I think they have a lot of owlweiss over here, so this color lure is pretty good. I just saw a bass just really tap up over here. Fish. Oh, that's a fish on. What is that? Oh my god, he's in the bush. No, he's in the bush.
Good one.
Get him out. What is that, a crappie or a bluegill? Oh, it's a bluegill. Should we keep him for the cook? He's pretty big.
Yeah.
Okay. Another fish. These, thank God, don't have any restrictions on them in Connecticut.
I wonder if there's any bass in here.
What?
I wonder if there's any bass in here.
Oh, I just saw one hit top. It's definitely the first time you'll ever see me use a bait caster in one of my videos. I don't generally rock with bait casters, but you know. I'll give him a shot. Man, this weighted Senko. There's so many weeds. Whoa, did you see that fish jump? Whoa, did you see that fish jump? Bass just jumped topwater in there.
Dude, I missed it.
Right now, back with what I know. Dude, I got the fucking Ozark Trail. The Ozark Trail frog. This frog was like $1.
Fuck this bluegill, you want to fucking eat it.
See if he'll get slammed.
Pull up over there too. I'm gonna throw Senko weighted. I'm gonna throw
throw a frog. There's a dog behind you. Careful.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I don't got a light, so I can't light it the other way.
It's chill. We can dip.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's see if it didn't even need the lighter.
Let's see.
Nah, still needs it.
There we go.
Finally, some good fire. It's gonna be pretty simple. I didn't bring any seasoning or flour like I should have, but it's still gonna taste good. It's crappy.
Doesn't it shrink too when you put it in there?
A little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the little scale.
It happens. Oh shit. Okay, they all came out really nicely. All right, chill.
Did.
All right, I'm gonna go try a piece of this crappie, man. This crappie looks good.
What's this bluegill?
Not crappie.
That's crappie.
No crappie.
These two bluegill.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try bluegill. Just a little bit of bluegill.
Okay. I like it, bit, man. I don't know. It kind of hit me. Just 'cause I haven't eaten anything.
Yeah.
I had a bowl of cereal in the morning, but besides that,
I don't know what this tastes like.
Yeah.
It's like a certain taste to it.
Bluegill?
I don't know.
Honestly though, for no seasoning, because I forgot it, it's really not that bad.
Try a little bit of the
For
crappie.
no seasoning,
Well, that breaks right off the crappie.
I would have preferred to have seasoning on it, but for no seasoning, that's not bad.
Not bad at all. Just a little bit of it, yeah. Did you eat the skin too?
Yeah, what? When you're cooking a lot like this, you have to, or just all the fish will fall apart. Okay. So what do you think of it?
It's pretty good. It's the first time I've ever had anything fresh.
Serious? No freshwater fish ever?
Never.
Shit. Welcome to the club.
I think it's some little bit of salt, some
Yeah, a little
lemon.
bit. Oh, you're talking my language. Yeah, I know. I was gonna bring more stuff, but I just low-key just forgot.
Yeah. I think I like the bluegill more than the crappie. I'm not gonna lie.
Honestly, yeah, me too. I said that.
There's like no bones in it too.
Uh-uh.
Good.
I know how to cook fish. All right, well. I see. I can't wait to go eat something cold.
That's what I gotta do.
Yeah. Okay.
Town hall. See if there's some water
See,
fountain.
there's a water fountain. All right, let's get to it.